Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. How are you? Hope you are fine. And today in maths class, as you know, this is maths class, and in maths, we have been doing subtraction in a different ways. Means first of all, you learn how to subtract. What is subtraction? कैसे करते हैं सब्ट्रैक्शन, फिर 1 डिजिट के साथ किया था, फिर 2 डिजिट, एंड नाउ टुडे वी विल डू सब्ट्रैक्शन विद रीग्रुपिंग. सब्ट्रैक्शन करना है विद रीग्रुपिंग, और द चेंज इज 3 डिजिट. आज क्या चेंज है क्लास में कि 3 डिजिट है, 3 डिजिट है, और उससे हमने सब्ट्रैक्शन करना, यानी पहले था वंस और टेंस था, अब 100 भी है. उससे कैसे करते हैं? पहले we will take the example from book page, right? We will have a look on it. Page number 46. This is subtract 26 from 831. तो इसमें क्या करेंगे? सबसे पहले हम subtract करेंगे, right? Now 8, we will subtract 26 from 831. So can we subtract ones? कितने हैं यहाँ पर? ones top पे 1 है, at the on the floor there is 6, and tens कितना है? on the top 3 and floor 2, and 100 जो है वो 8, right? These are ones. ये जो cubes मैंने बताए थे आपको, ये ones हैं. These are tens and these are 100. How many ones? Ones कितने? 1. ये जो green में है ये 1 है, right? And right, and these are 2 tens, and these are 800, right? So we will subtract. We cannot subtract 6 from 1, so क्या करेंगे? बोरो करेंगे, रीग्रुप करेंगे. अब रीग्रुप हम 10 से कर रहे हैं. 10 में क्या था? 3 tens था, तो 3 10 में से 1 10 हमने बोरो किया. What will it be? It will be 11. So we will subtract 6 from 11. What will be? 5, right? And it is not 3 anymore, it is 2. Now second step. In second step we will subtract tens. Tens कितने होंगे? Three and 2, right? And we have borrowed, so this is not 3, this is 2. So 2 on the top and 2 on the floor. Remember the poem? If the number are the same, 0 is the game. Now number same हो गए ना, 2 और 2, टॉप पे भी 2 है और फ्लोर पे भी 2 है, तो it will be 0. अगर 2 हम subtract करें 2 से तो क्या आएगा? 0, right? This is 10, solution of tens, right? Now 100. How many hundreds? 8. कितने 100 है? 8. Now 8, and जब इसकी top is 8 and floor is there is nothing, तो what we suppose? We suppose 0. जब कुछ नहीं होता तो क्या होता है? 0. अब 8 में से -0 किए तो 0 means nothing, right? So 8 will be in the same position, 8, right? Now question. These are the questions we will do on the board. You will write on the notebook. What you will write? You will write date, day, and topic, subtraction with regrouping, 3 digit, right? Now, question number 1. Question number 1. This is ones, tens and hundred. Ones में कितने आएंगे? टॉप पे 2 and floor पे 4. Can we subtract 4 from 2? No. We will regroup और regroup करेंगे तो 1 from tens. नेबर कौन सा है? नेक्स्ट डोर जाएंगे ना, नेक्स्ट डोर कौन सा है? 10 है ना, तो 10 से 1 10 लेंगे तो 1 10 मीन्स 10 1 tens means 10 ones, 10 ones and 2 ones. 10 or 2, 12. It is not 2 anymore, it is 12. And we will subtract 4 from 12. So we will subtract 4 from 12. So how many it will be? It will be 8. Right? So अब कितने रहेंगे ये? These are 7. No, it is now 6 because we have borrowed 1. So 6 minus 2, can we subtract? Yes. So it is 4. Right? Now 100. How many? 8. So 8, there is no digit. So we will write same. Right? This is 8 ones, 4 tens, and 8 hundred. Right? Now question number 2. Question number 2 is ones कितने हैं इसमें? 4 ones on the top, 9 ones on the floor. Right? So पहला स्टेप क्या होता है? बुक में हमने देखा फर्स्ट स्टेप क्या होता है? पहले हम वंस को सब्ट्रैक्ट करते हैं. तो 9, can we subtract 9 from 4? No, we will regroup and we will take borrow from the next door 1 tenths. So it will be 14. 14 minus 9. What will be? It will be 5. And there will be not 3, 2. Now, can we subtract 4 from 2? No. What we will do? We will go to next door. अगर ones पे है रीग्रुपिंग करनी है तो हम नेक्स्ट डोर कौन सा होगा? 10. अगर 10 पे रीग्रुपिंग करनी है नेक्स्ट डोर, अगर 100 है 3 डिजिट है तो नेक्स्ट डोर कौन सा होगा? 100. हम 100 से लेंगे. हमने 100 से 1 लिया. दिस इज 12. Right? And 4 we will minus 4 from 12. So it will be 8. And now it will be, it is 7. No, it is not 7 anymore. It is 6 because we have regrouped. So this 5 ones, 8 tens and 600. Now question number 3. Question number 3. How many ones? 5 on the top and 7 on the floor. Right? So can we subtract 7 from 5? No. So we will regroup and we will borrow to the next from the next door. No, next door is tens. So we will take 1. So this will be not 5, 15. So we will subtract 7 from 15. So what it will be? 8. Now it is not 4 anymore, it is 3. Can we subtract 4 from 3? No. We will go to again next door. Which is next door? 100. Right? So we will borrow from here. It will be 13 and it will not remain 6. It will be 5. So we will subtract 4 from 13. It will be 9. And 5, there is no digit. So it will be same. Okay. Right. Now question number 4. Question number 4 is ones, tens, 100. ये प्लेस वैल्यू है ना. वंस, टेंस, 100 क्या होता है? प्लेस वैल्यू. और प्लेस वैल्यू में वी अरेंज ग्रुप. यही रीग्रुपिंग होती है ना. तो वंस में क्या है? ऑन द टॉप 6 एंड एट द फ्लोर 8. हमने क्या करना है? We will subtract 8 from 6. Can we subtract? No. So we will regroup. We will go to next door and we will borrow 1. So it will be not 6 anymore. It will be 16. Right? So we will subtract 8 from 16. So it will be the remain, if you remember the table of 8. Right? And now it is not 6, it is 5. Can we subtract 7 from 5? No. So we will go to again next door and ask for ones. So it will be 15. यहाँ से हमने borrow कर लिया, एक ले लिया. So it will be 8. 15 minus 7, it will be 8. And now it will be the 8. See, 8, 8 and 8. This is ones, tens and 100. Question number 5 is ones. क्या है ones? कौन कौन से? 7, 8 and tens are 7 on the top, 8 on the floor. Tens, 8 on the top, 9 is on the floor. 100 is 7, only 7 on the top. There is nothing on the floor, right? So in this, which digit is bigger? 7 or 8? Obviously 8. So can we subtract floor digit from top? Floor big digit from top small digit. Can we subtract? No. In this purpose we regroup. इसके लिए हम क्या करते हैं? Regrouping करते हैं. Next door से हम borrow करते हैं. We will borrow once, so it will be not 7, 17. Now up 17 हो गया. Can we subtract 8 from 17? 8 from 17 आप कर सकते हैं? हो जाएगा? Yes, it will be. Right? So you will carry on the questions. It will be 9. You will carry out, complete this question. Right? कर लेंगे? Okay, I will continue it. It is what it will be. It will not be 8 now. It is 7. And can we subtract 9 from 7? 9 सब्ट्रैक्ट कर लेंगे. नीचे 9 है ना, नीचे से करते हैं. फ्लोर वाला ये सब्ट्रैक्ट करते हैं टॉप वाले से. ठीक है. कैन वी सब्ट्रैक्ट 9 फ्रॉम 7? नो. सो व्हाट वी विल डू? विल गो अगेन नेक्स्ट डोर and ask borrow. So it will be 17 and it will be 6. एक बोरो कर लिया यहाँ पर, इसमें से माइनस हो गया ना, निकल गया इसमें से, तो क्या आया 6. इट विल बी 6 नॉट 7. इसमें से एक कम कर लिया और इसमें हमने ऐड कर दिया, तो इट विल बी 17. 9 from 17 it will be 8. Now जब on the top there is a digit and on the at the floor there is no digit, then we suppose 0. 0 जो value होती है, this is nothing, simple. If it is 0 single, it has no value. If it is with another, it's like 0 with 1, it will be 10. But simple alone, 0 has no value. So when we subtract 0 from 6, there is nothing, it means 0. 0 from 6, so there will be 6, right? So 9 ones, 8 tens, and 6 ones, right? So students, in the same way, I hope you have understood. Practice it, reinforce it again and over again. Maths needs practice. So now I am giving you homework. This is your homework on the screen. You will write it in notebook, clean, tidy, with beautiful handwriting, and send to the your maths teachers, right? Thank you. Allah Hafiz. Take care.